Welcome to my channel. After years of speculation, hope, and flashes of inspiration, and even a cancellation, the Jaguar XJ is poised for a dramatic return in 2026. The new Jaguar XJ is envisioned not as a conventional petrol-powered super saloon, but as a flagship fully electric luxury sedan from Jaguar, a car that aims to redefine British luxury motoring for the electric era. With its elegant design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive projected performance, the 2026 Jaguar XJ is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated luxury EVs on the horizon. A brief history, from glory to silence. The original XJ lineage began in 1968, evolving over decades through multiple generations, and served as Jaguar's flagship sedan. The latest petrol-powered version, the XJ X351, ceased production in July 2019. Jaguar had planned an all-electric XJ, internally code-named X391, previewed in concept form, but in 2021 the project was cancelled. The company said it didn't align with their new, reimagined, strategy, which shifted Jaguar toward a more premium, differentiated electric future. Despite the cancellation, Jaguar never quite abandoned the idea of a flagship electric sedan, and rumors, sketches, and spy photos kept the hope alive. Thus, for several years the XJ nameplate sat in limbo, iconic yet dormant. Until now. The resurrection. Why 2026, and what's changed? In late 2024, Jaguar unveiled a new design direction under a fresh brand identity, previewed by the concept Jaguar Type 00. While Type 00 itself is a radical super GT concept, the exercise signaled the company's intent, a full reset. According to recent announcements, Jaguar plans to debut 3 fully electric vehicles in 2026, among them, a Grand Touring sedan, that many expect to wear the XJ name and reclaim Jaguar's place at the top of the luxury segment. The new XJ, therefore, is not a direct revival of the cancelled 2021 EV project, but a reimagined flagship aligned with Jaguar's electric-only future. It reflects a shift not just in drivetrain, but in ambition, design philosophy, and market positioning. Design and exterior, heritage meets futurism. The 2026 Jaguar XJ is said to blend classic British sedan elegance with a modern electric aesthetic. Sleek, low-slung silhouette. As expected for a flagship EV sedan, the new XJ's profile emphasizes aerodynamics and poise. Early projections suggest a long wheelbase, a broad stance, and proportions similar to other high-end electric sedans. Modern Jaguar styling cues, though concrete official images are still rare, video reveals and leaked renders show elements like slim LED matrix headlights, a refined yet assertive front fascia, flush surfaces, and a sculpted rear with continuous LED light strip, merging sportiness with sophistication. Attention to detail. As with all Jaguars, craftsmanship, long a hallmark, seems poised to return, albeit updated. Expect premium materials, flush glass surfaces, possibly minimalist but luxurious touches echoing the brand's heritage. In short, the 2026 XJ seems designed to stand out quietly, elegance over flash, presence without brashness. Performance and engineering, flagship EV underpinnings. While official specs remain partly under wraps, available information and industry reporting paint a promising picture. The sedan is expected to use a bespoke electric platform likely related to Jaguar's new dedicated EV architecture rather than a retrofit of older ICE platforms. Dual-motor all-wheel drive is likely, with expected output in the range of 450 to 650 HP and a 0 to 60 mph 0-100 km/h sprint somewhere around 3.8–5.0 seconds. Estimated all-electric ranges between 300 to 400 plus miles approximately equals 480 to 640 km on a full charge, granting the XJ competitive. Real-world usability. Charging is expected to support modern fast charging speeds, making long-distance travel more feasible and keeping it on par with rivals. In short, the 2026 XJ aims to deliver the hallmark Jaguar blend of performance, refinement, and real-world usability, now in electric form. Interior and luxury features. A tech lounge, on wheels. Early reveals and concept renderings suggest the new Jaguar XJ will offer a truly modern luxury interior. Expect a panoramic curved digital dashboard replacing classic analog gauges, along with large central displays and possibly rear seat infotainment. Videos discussing the 2025-2026 XJ concept mention lounge-like interiors combining premium leather, wood, metal accents, and ambient lighting. Rear seat comfort, usually a key aspect of flagship sedans, is likely to be a priority. Long wheelbase, generous legroom, and high-end finishes should make the XJ compelling for passengers as well as drivers. Advanced driver assistance, connectivity, and infotainment. As this car is touted as Jaguar's flagship EV sedan, it's reasonable to expect features like OTA updates, voice control, adaptive cruise, and other modern tech. Some early spec projections mention a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen. Overall, the 2026 XJ interior promises to merge modern technology with traditional Jaguar luxury, a comfortable, quiet, and tech-rich cabin aimed at the high end of the sedan market. Market positioning and competition, who's it for and who does it challenge? The 2026 Jaguar XJ is clearly positioned as a flagship electric luxury sedan, competing not with family cars or entry-level SUVs but with top-tier EV sedans from premium brands. With a likely price point in the ballpark of US $120,000 $160,000 or comparable in other markets for a well-equipped version, the XJ aims at buyers looking for luxury, exclusivity, and EV sophistication. Its closest rivals are likely to include other luxury EV sedans, those from those established luxury brands transitioning to electric, and possibly high-end electric Grand Tourers. In effect, the 2026 XJ might serve both as a rebirth for Jaguar's sedan legacy and a statement that the brand intends to compete at the highest levels of the EV world. Challenges and what remains uncertain. But as promising as the 2026 XJ looks, several questions remain. Official confirmation pending. As of now, much of what we know about the 2026 XJ comes from leaks, concept videos, reports, and industry speculation. Final specs, styling, and details could still change. Brand risk. The legacy of the XJ name carries weight. Reviving it as an EV means balancing heritage with innovation. There's a chance traditional Jaguar fans may balk at the departure from internal combustion engines. Market reception and pricing. At the projected price point, the XJ will face stiff competition, both from established luxury marques and from electric native brands. It must deliver performance, luxury, and reliability to justify premium pricing. Global availability and support. Given that Jaguar is reshuffling its production and dealer network as part of its reimagine strategy, availability, delivery timelines, and after-sales support could vary by region. What the return of XJ means for Jaguar in the luxury EV market. The 2026 Jaguar XJ isn't just another car, it represents a significant shift for Jaguar as a brand. It signals a commitment to electrification, even for models that once defined Jaguar's identity as a combustion engine maker. A repositioning in the luxury segment. Rather than chasing volume, Jaguar seems to be targeting exclusivity, craftsmanship, and top-tier EV prestige. An attempt to merge brand heritage with future mobility, by reviving a storied nameplate while embracing zero-emission technology. If successful, the new XJ could re-establish Jaguar as a serious player in luxury EV sedans, blending heritage, design, and modern performance in a package that might redefine what luxury sedan means in the EV era. The 2026 Jaguar XJ represents a bold, ambitious, and deeply symbolic return for Jaguar's flagship sedan, not as a relic of the past but as a reimagined icon for the electric age. With sleek design, prospective high-end EV chops, and the gravitas of the XJ name, this isn't merely a new car. It's a statement that luxury, performance, and elegance can, and should, evolve with the times. Whether the end result lives up to the hype remains to be seen. But if Jaguar pulls this off, the 2026 XJ could be remembered not just as a new generation, but as the genesis of a new legend. Let me know if you want a version tailored for Pakistani readers. We can discuss likely launch, price in PKR, and how it compares to luxury cars available in Pakistan.